I'm Joe with Electro. Today we're going to take a look at the B24 batch freezer. We're going to assemble the machine completely. We're going to sanitize it, show the operation of the machine, how to clean the machine, and break it down and fully disassemble it for cleaning. The parts have all been washed in the sink. They've been sanitized and left to air dry overnight to fully dry. Now we're going to start assembling the machine. The one thing that we're going to need besides the parts that go with the machine is our lube. We can use any NSF approved lube. We're going to start with the assembly with the beater. We're going to apply a little bit of lube around the drive shaft. This will make sure we get a nice good seal in the back of the unit. We have our drive shaft gasket. That's just going to slide right over there. And we just put a little bit of lube around the edge of the gasket just to make sure we get a nice good seal. Next thing with the main beater is we're going to take the all the different feet that we have. And the feet are just going to snap right in place. You want to do it with the sharp edge facing the wall of the machine. And you're going to have 2 blades per side with a total of 6 blades. Okay, now we can install the auger. When putting the auger into the machine, we just want to line up the rear blade. Set up these feet, and we just kind of guide the blades in. Once this slides all the way in, it's going to stop right before the edge. We're just going to give it a twist and push until it sits completely flush with the front of the machine. That locks it in place, and now it won't twist. It's locked in the back of the gearbox. So now we're going to do a door assembly. The Electro door is a very simple piece to put together. We're going to use our lube again. We're going to lube up the front door gasket. This gasket has 2 different sides to it. One side is going to have a ridge, the other side is going to be flat. We want to put it into the door with the ridge facing toward us. That'll make sure that we get a nice solid seal against the machine. The next gasket is the door gasket. Again, we're going to add lubricant, a very, very light amount of lubricant to this door. And we just press it right in place. Just sit flush in there. Now we can flip this door over. Take our door, stick it on the front. Put our paddle in here. And this you're just lining it up so when it comes down it sits flush and it goes up. And then we can tighten our locking screw. And the tighter this is, the harder it's going to be to move. It'll also give us a nice good seal, so we'll close it, lock it down, and that should be good. Now we're going to put the door onto the machine. The machine door has some weight to it. What we want to do is there's a hinge right here. We just line it up, slide down on the hinge, the door will close, and the handle will fall. Again with the door, nice easy operation. You can always tighten it up a little bit more if we need to. And now we're ready to sanitize this machine and get it ready for production.